Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily see recently watched videos on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Facebook app. Then right here, tap where it says watch, then hit right here at this little person's icon, and then tap at history. And on that screen it will show you all your recently watched videos on Facebook. If you want, you can hit at these three dots, and then you can share this video with someone. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Facebook tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.